Next on the list is a Nintendo Switch board that came in for no power. And customer mailed over a brand new USB-C port and USB P13 USB IC. Anytime a customer mail over components along with the board, you can be 100% sure there's a Hiroshima bomb on that board. Anytime, every time. It never fails. So let's take a look at what the customer wrote in the ticket. Try to replace C port, filters disappeared. Try to replace filters, realized P13 USB was blown. Try to replace, 2 pads came off. Still didn't power on. Checked board, BQ 24193 was blown. Try to replace, still didn't power on. How many things did the customer try to replace? We're going to start from the far end here. Battery connector. Joy-Con connector is burned, and the reason it's burned is because customer applied heat to that chip. He replaced the chip, and I'm not going to comment on the soldering job. I'll leave that up to you. USB-C port is removed. Luckily, we do not have any ripped pads. Let's keep moving sideways. 3-phase buck converter is cracked. The connector does not look good. This is the LCD connector. Let's take a look at the pins inside. And I already see a missing pin inside here. Let me see if you can tell. Count from your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 4th pin? Where is the 4th pin? This one here. Gone. Gone with the wind. 9th dimension. And we have a problem here too. And here. We need to replace the connector. What else? What else? We need to go over this component. Oh, look. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, so I just put this component back so we do not lose it. But we're not done with physical inspection yet. Let's keep going. We're not done with physical inspection yet. We do not know if the M92 chip is good. With all the issues happening to this board not powering on, it's very likely that this chip needs to be changed. And flip the board. This is the battery pin detection chip. It's cracked. It's cracked. What else can we find? Oh, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's continue with the inspection. Right now, even if we replace all those components on the board, we still do not know if that board is going to work afterwards. We do not know how much heat was applied onto that board. We do not know if the RAM, CPU, GPU are still working on that board. I mean, the 3-phase buck converter is cracked. It's broken. So it's a hit and miss with this board. Let me know what you would do if you get a board like this, for those who are in the same field. Would you take this board in? How would you deal with this board? I mean, if I was a person that had nothing else to do and I got this board, I would be more than happy to work on it. But unfortunately, it's not economical, it's not practical, it's not feasible to work on a board with this condition. I'm gonna have to email the customer and let him know that it will cost that much money to fix the board, and it would cost you that much money if we worked on that board, but it turned out to be a no fix. If customer agrees, then I'll be more than happy to spend time on that board. But otherwise, if customer does not agree, then we just mail it back to him and we move on to fixing something else. Right now we are at 1,969 tickets. Some of those devices we did receive in the shop and some of them we did not receive. I mean, it's overwhelming. It's honestly overwhelming, and we're gonna have to let the customer know. So that's it. I'm gonna put it on the site. We're gonna email the customer and we'll do something else in the next video.